Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Nkirote and this is Olive Nkirote Rebranded. In case you're new on this channel, we are currently doing a cryptocurrency series, so definitely check this playlist up on this link so that you can see all the videos that we've done and you can at least catch up from the beginning. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new, subscribe. So let's get into this video. The first thing we're going to talk about is what is a wallet. Just the way you have a wallet for your physical cash, for your fiat currency, cryptocurrency also has different types of wallet. I have talked about cryptocurrency being a digital asset, therefore it existing digitally. So you're probably wondering, okay, Olive,
so I believe I'll have a digital wallet?
Yes and no, and I'm about to answer all your questions and give you all the types of wallets that exist. Bitcoin wallet or a crypto wallet is an account for your coins. This wallet will help you, one, be able to receive digital assets or cryptocurrency from it. You'll be able to send cryptocurrency as well, and you're going to be able to store your cryptocurrency. So that's what a wallet is. So in every wallet, there's something known as a private key. You need to safeguard it with your life. It's the key to someone getting through to your own bank, which is your crypto wallet. What a private key is and what a public key is. A cryptocurrency wallet has these two types of keys, as you guys can see on the screen. And I want to first give you like an idea on how you can understand what these two keys are. So I want you to imagine just like your email address. You have an account with Gmail, and Gmail provides you an email address. For example, my email address, olivevivian8@gmail.com. And then your email address is public, like you can leave your email address anywhere and you can receive emails and you can send emails from this specific email address. So with your cryptocurrency wallet, it also has a public key. So the same way you went to Gmail and opened an account so that you can be able to get an email address for you to send and receive emails, the same case goes with wallet. You open a wallet, maybe for example with Bread. Bread is one of the mobile wallet platforms that I'm going to show you in the next video how to open it. So you're going to open an account with maybe Bread Wallet, and Bread Wallet will give you a public key. And now in this case, your public key is the one that you can leave anywhere. For example, check my previous video in my description box. You can see that in my description box, I have left a public key where anyone can actually send me Bitcoins or donate for me some Bitcoins. If someone enjoys my video and they're like, we want to send Olive some Bitcoin. All my videos have that donate this Bitcoin address, and that is like your public key. Just like with your email address is like your public key. So your private key, and if you read it, it says your public key is used to receive funds. It identifies your account on the network. It can be searched in the ledger. Now your private key, in this case, using the Gmail example, it's your username and password. Okay, now you see for the email, it gives you two ways for you to like keep your account safe, your username and password. But in this case, your wallet, you get a private key. Different wallets have different private keys. It could be, and I've mentioned this before if you've been keeping up with the series, some have backup phrases. It's just the way you don't share your email address like password for people to know. It's the same with your private key, and your app is going to let you know of your private key as soon as you log in, as soon as you sign up. So, how many types of wallets exist? There are 6 types of wallets, and I will go through each and giving you all the basic information about each wallet. There is a hot wallet and there's a cold wallet. A hot wallet is basically a wallet that is online. It is accessible in the internet. It is online. It is a hot wallet. A cold wallet, however, is a wallet that is accessed offline. It is not online. It is not accessible through the internet. It is offline. So these are the 2 types of wallets. So there is hot and there is cold. Okay, and there is cool wallets that can do both. It can be online and it can be offline, but we're not going to talk about cool. So let's focus on hot and cold. The main characterization of hot wallets is hot wallets are to only store
small amounts of Bitcoin. When you buy crypto on the exchange market, which I'll show you guys, just the same way you go to the forex exchange to trade in your dollars for Kenya shillings, there is an exchange for cryptocurrency where now you exchange your fiat currency into cryptocurrency. Once you've gotten the money from the exchange, people put their money on hot wallets, small amounts of Bitcoins. Why small? Because it is prone to hacking, it is prone to theft. However, on cold, you can put large transactions, huge amounts of money. According to you, maybe 100,000 is huge money. You can put it on your cold wallet. Maybe even 10,000 is a lot of money. You should put it in your cold wallet. Those are the two differences of either hot and cold. If you want money for daily transactions, and I mean in the sense that you're a crypto trader or you have friends and you send each other Bitcoins and Satoshis.
Satoshis are the smallest unit of a Bitcoin. Anonymous man who made the Bitcoin was known as Satoshi Nakamoto, and he named the smallest unit Satoshi. So basically, just the way there are pennies to a dollar, it's the same with Satoshis.
If you want to transact small amounts of money, or you want to buy things with crypto, or you have crypto games that you play and you want to pay things, or you have crypto websites you want to gamble on, small transactions that you really want to use crypto here and there, I would advise you to keep it on the hot wallet. However, if you're planning to not use that money, you want it to be long-term investment, it's money you want to forget about, I would urge you to keep in a cold wallet. Another thing is, the hot wallet is free to use. Most of them are offered for free because they are online. These are either apps or softwares you can install, and I'll get into that. I hope right now you have an idea of wallets, what wallets are, where wallets exist, and how to treat different wallets for different types of investments. The first wallet is a paper wallet. Your wallet in paper form. This was the old way, or rather one of the first ways of keeping your Bitcoin safe. It is actually a cold wallet. Cold in terms of it is stored offline. There are websites that are used. One is bitaddress.org and another one is Wallet Generator. Once you go to these websites,
explains very well how to make a Bitcoin paper wallet, and I figured I can go through with you right now briefly. However, I'll link it down below in my description box. However, as well, comment down below if you want us to create a Bitcoin paper wallet. I am willing to show you, and here is how you do it. And first of all, I would urge you guys to make sure that your laptop is free from malware, and go to either bitaddress.org or even walletgenerator.net. Like I said, this is how it looks. And then the second is to save the web page to your local desktop. So basically the point is you're trying to not create your address while it's online. And then the third is locate where it is, and as soon as you do, disconnect yourself from the internet. That is why we are saying that it's a form of cold wallet. Once you do, open the downloaded HTML file, and then once it's done, you'll see it's going to look like this. So the point is you're going to literally move your cursor the way I'm moving mine right now, and it's going to generate your address. So it's basically a percentage of randomness. Like, you won't move your cursor the same way in the world, so different movements will create the numbers, which will in turn generate your Bitcoin address. And it tells you to keep hovering until the screen percentage number completes to 100%. So you're going to see the numbers, and then once it has achieved 100%, you get now this screen which will now show you your Bitcoin address, which you can share with people. And this is the one you use as well to receive Bitcoins, but then this is your private key. This is the one you're not meant to share with anybody, and this is the one you use now to send Bitcoins from your account to someone else. Generate one, for example, one paper wallet if you only just want one, depending on what you want. If you want 3, you can have different wallets for different. So maybe you can be like, one will keep savings, this one will be emergencies, this one will be expenses or something like investments, you can do that. And then after that, you can now print to get a printable file using your printer, and people advise for you to use a printer that is home. Once you've printed it, you can cut it out with scissors and create a wallet at home where you can now put your actual paper wallets. And that is pretty much it, guys. It's actually not hard. And this is how it is. This is the oldest way, but I feel like the oldest is the safest. And you can see the saying, you see how we were away from the internet and safely created a Bitcoin address and a private key. That's why it's safe, and I think personally it is very safe. So yep.
Print it, keep your address at home. It is the oldest and safest way of keeping your crypto, because how would they find that paper? The second type of cold wallet is hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are purchase them. There are different types of hardware wallets. However, the ones that are really recommended is the Ledger, Nano, the Trezor, or the KeepK. So these are literally hardware, and unless they get a hold of that USB, or unless they get a hold of that physical storage, how would they steal it? You know, they can't really steal your crypto. The only disadvantage is, guys, it could get lost. It really could get lost.
I want you guys to understand that the whole point of wallets is to safeguard your keys, and I believe you guys are aware about the private key from my previous explanations. And it's not that the cryptocurrency is in your wallet. No, the cryptocurrency is not in your wallet. The cryptocurrency is a decentralized system in blockchain, meaning that it is everywhere. It is in my laptop, your laptop, it is somewhere in the air. So you really aren't extracting the bitcoins from the blockchain network. No, you are just safeguarding the keys to help you access your bitcoins on the blockchain network. So the whole point of us talking about wallets, cold, hot, is that your cold wallet is safeguarding your private keys out of the internet. Your information as to how you can access bitcoins is not stored online, so it's not really hackable. As compared to hot wallets, the keys are saved online. Currencies are never stored within the hardware wallet. They are always live on the blockchain. The hardware wallet merely stores your private key. That private key opens the lock to your address on the blockchain where your assets actually live. Since the blockchain is everywhere, all you need is your hardware wallet to interact with your tokens. I saw this and I figured this would be a nice place for me to show you the different types of hardware wallets. This is actually the one I want to buy, the Ledger Nano S. It supports major coins. It is beginner friendly, very lightweight, and the price is okay. It's not $59 right now. I'm thinking this website is a bit late. It's around 70 something at the moment, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. There's Ledger Nano S and has a better version, which is the Ledger Nano X, and the Trezor as well. There's the Trezor one, which was their first one, and then they released a better one, which is the Trezor T, and there's the KeepK. So yeah, I'm going to also link this one down below in case you want to check them out for yourself. Before I end this video, I want to briefly talk about the pros and cons of paper wallets and hardware wallets. In the next video, I'm going to talk about hot wallets, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot of juicy information for you. However, I want us to go through this so that we can see if we have understood what paper wallets do, what hardware wallets do, the pros and cons of each. However, these are the best wallets, guys. Personally, I want to buy a hardware wallet and I want to actually try own a paper wallet and see if the human error of me losing it will not happen. Anyway, so let's get into this. So the first one I want us to go through is not the hardware one, but the paper one. So here it is. Paper wallets, true, they are free. That is true because you can make paper wallets from the website that I've showed you. They actually do provide free tools and it is not something you have to pay. And then they've even said that never pay for a paper wallet. It is a scam if you do. So that's a pro. The second one is it is immune to malware. It is really not living online, it is living on a paper somewhere inside your house. The third one is you can actually have multiple copies of your paper wallet and leave them in different secure locations and you'll be good to go. These are the cons of paper wallets. Damage, obviously, because it is a paper. Ink can fade, paper deteriorates over time, the risk of fire, water damage, even if it's accidental, it is something that, yeah, can easily get damaged. The second one is insecure creation process. Connection with your printer can be a possible threat. Some people can even make a mistake. The third one is usage problems. Let's go back up to hardware wallets. So hardware wallets is just what we've talked about. So they're saying there's a secure element chip. However, they're saying it's not present in every hardware wallet, but it's a core component of the ledger devices, which is the hardware wallet I plan to buy. Adds an extra layer of security to your wallet and protects you from side channel attacks. One is coin support. This is true. Like the hardware wallets can hold a lot of cryptocurrencies, like literally 1,100 different cryptocurrencies. The Trezor can hold 700 coins. Another pro is PIN protection. All your transactions are PIN protected. You never need to enter the PIN on a computer in a way it could be stolen. Other cons, however, cost. Yo guys, yeah, it's not cheap. So the Ledger Nano X costs $120, which right now it's $140, and the Trezor model T is at $205, although I've seen it's gone down to 130 something. Let's actually see, 149 euros. Second is copycats. Given the high prices of hardware wallets, it's tempting to shop around for the best deal. Often that search might lead you to eBay or worse, or Craigslist. Actually guys, this is true. Never buy a hardware wallet from somebody other than the manufacturing company, because that person could have already noted that private key down somewhere and they would hack you somewhere in the future. So never purchase, actually everything here, make sure you only purchase a hardware wallet directly from the manufacturer's online shop. Meskia. The third one is the paper backups. Imagine guys, even with the hardware wallet, you have to still write the seed phrase, which is your recovery phrase. Here it is. You have to note down your seed phrase on a paper. So I was even asking myself, like, what is the difference then? Because they're saying in case you lose the hardware wallet, you need to have written your seed phrase on a paper. It is a 20-word long phrase that you select when you set up your wallet, and you see it is stored on paper, as in, oh my gosh. So if in case you lose the actual wallet, you can just save your seed phrase in a paper, and then you can buy the same wallet and then recover now your old wallet on the new wallet using your seed phrase. Anyway guys, let's go back to the question they asked us. Which is right for you? I think I just go with the hardware one. I know it's expensive, but I think honestly I really think it's the best option. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. The video ends here. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you have learned something from this video, what type of wallet you have you bought one of the hardware wallets? Anyway, thank you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.